starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of the Rudu Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise number 4C for New Scandi Mathematics book 2, class 7 abstract students, and exercise 11C for new syllabus mathematics D1 for A level O level students. And question number 6 is find the number of sides of regular polygon if each interior angle of the polygon is a part. Students, we have to find number of sides of regular polygon. Number of sides we have to find, and each interior angle is equal to 140 degree. And students, we have to find the number of sides. So students, here I will write let number of sides is equal to x, number of sides is equal to x, or we can write number of sides is equal to n. It is totally up to us. I will write number of sides n as in formula we use sum of interior angle of any polygon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So n mean number of sides. So here I will suppose that number of sides is equal to n. And students, you know the formula. We know that sum of interior angles is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. And n mean number of sides. So students, each interior angle is 140. It means that we have to add 140 for n times. When 140 is added again and again for n times, so n will multiply with 140 and that will be the sum of interior angle. So I will write 140 degree multiplied by n is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now students, 140 is multiplying with n and it will become 140 degree n is equal to 180 degree n minus 360 degree, because 180 degree will multiply with 2. Now students, look carefully. 360 is minus on right side. When I transfer it to the side, it will become minus. And 140 is plus on left side. When I transfer it to the other side, it will become minus. So 360 degree is equal to 180 degree n minus 140 degree n. And 360 degree is equal to 140 degree n minus 180 degree n minus 140 degree n, and we will have 40 degree n, and 40 degree is multiplying with n. When I transfer it to the other side, it will divide and we will have 360 degree over 40 degree is equal to number of side. Degree will be cancelled with degree and 0 will be cancelled with 0. 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. So number of side is equal to 9. So students, it is A part of question number 6, and now I am going to solve B part. And in B part, each interior angle is equal to 162 degree, and we have to find number of sides, and each interior angle is equal to 162 degree. So students, again we will suppose that let number of sides is equal to n, and same formula is applied. We know that sum of interior angles is equal to n mean number of side minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. And students, now look at each angle is 162 degree. It means that we have to add 162 for n number of numbers. So 162 will multiply with n and it will become sum of interior angles. So students, we will have 162 degree multiplied by n is equal to 180 is multiplying with n, and we will have 180 degree n minus 360 degree, because 180 is multiplying with n as well as with 2. Now students, 360 is minus on right side. When I transfer it to other side, it will become plus, and 180 degree n is plus on left side. When we transfer it to other side, it will become minus, and first it is written as 162 degree n is equal to 180 degree n minus 360 degree n, and all the terms have degree, so degree will minimized, or we need not to write degree again and again, and we will have 360 is equal to 180 n minus 162 n, and we will subtract 162 from 180 and we will have 18. So it is 360 is equal to 18n, and 18 is multiplying with n. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide, and we will have 360 over 18 is equal to n. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, and 2 zeros are 0. So it is 180 over 9 is equal to n. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, and 9 zeros are 0. So number of sides in this polygon is 20. So students, if the interior angle of a polygon, regular polygon, is 162 each, then the number of sides will be 20. And now students, I am going to solve C part, and in C part each interior angle is 172 degree, and same formula is applied here when we have to find number of sides when each interior angle is 172 degree. So students, again we will suppose that number of sides is equal to n. Let number of sides is equal to n, and same formula will be applied. Sum of interior angles is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, and students, we have to add 172 for n number of times. So students, it will become 172 degree multiplied by n is equal to 180 degree n minus 360 degree n, 360 degree, and all the three terms have degree, so degree will be cancelled, and I will write 172 n is equal to 180 n minus 360. 360 is minus, when we transfer it to other side it will become plus, and 172 is plus, when we transfer it to other side it will become minus. So 360 is equal to 180 n minus 172 n. When we subtract 172 n from 180, we will have 8. So it is written as 360 is equal to 8n, and 360 over 8 is equal to n. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, and 2 zeros are 0. So it is 180 over 4 is equal to n. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 zeros are 0. 90 over 2 is equal to n. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. So number of sides is equal to 45, and it is C part of the same question. Now I am going to solve D part, and in D part each interior angle is of 175 degree. So in D part we have to find number of sides, and when each interior angle is 175 degree, and same process will be applied here students. Let the number of sides is equal to n. Number of sides is equal to n, and same formula is applied. Sum of interior angles is equal to n minus 2 into 2 right angle or 180 degree, and each interior angle is 175, and number of sides are n is equal to 180 degree n minus 360 degree n, and all the three terms have degree, so degree will be minimized, and it is written as 175 n is equal to 180 n minus 360. 360 is minus on right side. When we transfer it to this side, it will become plus, and we will have 360 is equal to 180 n minus 175 n. These two terms are like terms. When we subtract 175 from 180, we will have 5. So it is written as 360 is equal to 5n, and 5 is multiplying with n. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide. 360 over 5 is equal to n. 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 1 carry. It is 10, and 5 2s are 10. So number of side is 72. So students, it is question number 6 of exercise 4C and 11C. So it is enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.